Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying happy holidays, and it's Christmas Eve day here, and this song is going to be one of my favorites, the Christmas song. Great settings, great style. I think you're going to love doing it. Remember, I am going live New Year's Eve at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's New York time zone for all you guys overseas and outside the U.S. So let's take a look real quick at the music and the settings for the Christmas song. Okay, so as you can see here, it's the 40s swing ballad, tempo 66, and this was Christmas Bank 1, Registration 3, and this is in Bundle 3. Now you can see a lot of chord changes here that I did, and you're going to notice that OTS here is what we're using. We're going to just stay on Variation 3 throughout the whole song, use Intro 3, and as long as you hold the red notes down to get to the next chord, you'll find all these chord changes to be pretty easy and a good workout for you. So let's get a listen now to the settings that I chose for the Christmas song. Okay, OTS 1, we have a breathy tenor sax. Now that's going to be real sexy in this song, and our volume's at 127. On OTS 2, we have theater open tibias, organ, and vibraphone and theater glockenspiel. Now, the theater open tibias are in your organs there, and your vibraphone, of course, is in your percussion there, and your theater glock is in your organ, and you can see that's on page 6. So that's the settings for that. Now, on OTS 2, I do have harmony on, so I'm going to press my direct access and my harmony button, and you can see I have harmony 1 plus 5. That's on page 4 there. As I go to OTS 3 now, I'll exit out, and we have that breathy tenor sax with a vibraphone. And also, this is another song where I'm going to hit my direct access button and my small pedal, and you will see that I have the sustain turned off on my sax on the right one. I only have it on the vibraphone, which is going to make it sound really nice and be able to use your sustain pedal. Okay, before we get to that, I did forget something, so I need to let you see that. On the style itself here, okay, I went into the mixer on the style 1, and I got rid of this phrase 1. Turn that off. Very important to get rid of that phrase 1. Now, one thing you could do, if you don't like playing down in this area, is to just use your upper octave down. And if you push it down one, and of course program it into your OTS, you'll get the same sound up here. So that makes it easy as well. Okay, so a little chance to work on your right hand there on that sax and make it sexy. Now, remember New Year's Eve, I just talked about this, 6 o'clock. We're going to go live, and you're going to be able to even text questions in during the broadcast. And I'll be doing it from my home Genos man cave. So you'll get a little idea of my setup there. And of course, if you purchase your Genos from us, you get the same setup that I have. So that's great. We're also going to have a special sale on New Year's Day because our video is going to be on having a little fun, tutorial, ask questions, play a little music, and just have a good time for about an hour or so. So until next week, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying keep playing, have a great day, and have a Merry, Merry Christmas.